Hello everyone. Well, it is a freezing cold day in Chicago, but I have a super cool tool I wanted to show you. I'm out here in the welding shop and you gotta check this out. Hang on. Alright, so this is the new welding clamp from my favorite clamp guys, Piher. And they came out with this clamp because it fits into a 16mm hole in Europe, but also just about the 5/8 holes here in North America. I have this gigantic beam. This is my anvil. You'll notice it's not sitting on the ground. Why is that? It's held in place by a crazy strong clamp. With over 700 pounds of clamping force, it's holding this 3-foot section of train track vertically in the air on my super strong vertical welding table. So, that is something that I am super impressed by. This thing is great. A new innovation from our friends over at Piher.